Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a mukbang of the SHIN noodle, the spicy ramen. This is the brand. I don't know how to pronounce it, so I'm not going to say it because I don't want to butcher it. This is what the pack looks like. And we're going to have it with some chicken nuggets from McDonald's. This is what they look like. So right now I am waiting for my water to boil so I can throw the noodles inside the water. I'm gonna cook the noodles off camera and I will be right back once it's fully cooked and then we can start eating together. Alright guys, I've made the noodles. This is what they look like. And I've got my chicken nuggets right here. Okay. I also got sauce. Well, that's annoying. I wanted the sour cream and onion. They gave me the dill pickle. But whatever, I may not even eat that one. And then I got the spicy habanero. This is my favorite dipping sauce. All right, let's try this. I've had these noodles before and oh my god, they are spicy. So I did not put the whole spice pack in because I'm not trying to die. I mean, obviously I wouldn't, but I'm not trying to have my taste buds killed. It's pretty good. Let's try it with a chicken nugget. That's good. Now I can see why people mix chicken nuggets with ramen. Okay, we're gonna try something. I'm probably gonna regret this. Like, I know I'm definitely gonna regret it. Here's the sauce. We're gonna take some noodles. And dip the chicken nugget in the sauce. All right. I don't know if my spice tolerance is not as bad, but these noodles aren't unbearable like they were the last time I tried them. It's got a slight kick, but it's not extremely spicy and unbearable. I love McDonald's chicken nuggets. So unhealthy for you, but I don't care. We got this much left. I don't know if you guys can see the steam, but oh my goodness, it's hot. Okay, the spice is slowly creeping up. Yeah, it's getting spicy. I'm almost done the noodles. I'm trying to eat this whole pot of noodles without drinking any milk. I feel like I need it though. My nose is starting to run, guys. Oh, hi, Lily. Sorry, baby, you can't have any. This will hurt you. No, you can't have any. All right, last bite. Oh my God. All done. Oh. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go grab some milk. I'll be right back. Oh my goodness. All right, we got milk. Oh my goodness, guys. My lips are tingling. This is what I have left. I don't think I'm gonna eat all these on camera. Just because I'm getting a little full. These are good. Oh, my nose is running, guys. Or it feels like it is. Okay, I'm gonna end the video here because I'm getting full and those noodles kind of killed a little bit, so it's making it hard to eat these chicken nuggets right now. So I'm gonna have to let my mouth sit for a little bit. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what your favorite ramen brand is and flavor. I do like the Bulldog ramen. I like the cheesy carbonara. I didn't have any more of that. My fiance finished off the last pack, sadly. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. Have a good day. Bye, guys.